16 series tag on front and rear camera repair FPC installation guide. 16 tag on front camera repair FPC. Tear the outer flex cable of the 16 front camera. Please note that just tear a half of the flex cable. Fold the half side that has just been teared. Fold the cable at the corner diagonally and fold it upwards. Buckle the socket inwards for 180 degrees. Fasten the 16 front camera flex cable into the socket of the front camera and insert it into the phone. +16 tag on front camera repair FPC. Tear the outer flex cable of the 16 front camera. Fold the cable at the corner diagonally and fold it upwards. Fasten the 16 tag on front camera flex cable on it. Then insert the front camera into the phone. 16/16 tag on rear camera repair FPC. Fold the rear camera flex cable back for 180 degrees. Fasten the 16/16 tag on rear camera repair FPC on it. Bend the tag on rear camera repair FOC 90 degrees and insert it into the phone. 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max tag on rear camera repair FPC. Fold the middle flex cable of the rear camera. Make sure to align with the middle flex cable and fold it back 180 degrees. Then fold the socket of the flex cable for 180 degrees. Buckle the flex cable. Then insert it into the phone.